Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Jonathan Coles, and in today's free SEO training, I'm going to be sharing with you different tools for insights beyond the search bar. So this is going to really help you with your search engine optimization strategy, and I think that you're going to really find this video to be useful. So I have 5 of them, and I'm going to share with you this document. I'm basically going to go over each one of them, and then I'm going to also leave this in the description for your reference. It's completely free. If you click on it, it'll send you to what it is that you see here. So now I do have a free checklist, an SEO checklist in the description that's completely free as well. All you have to do is put your name and your email address in for that. It'll get sent right to your inbox. And that can actually help you as you go about your search engine optimization strategy. So it can accompany you, can have that checklist there while you're optimizing your pages, whether that be on page or off page, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. Now, imagine the world outside of search engines. It's a vast, dynamic landscape that significantly influences how people use their search bars. To truly grasp what content will resonate, we must venture beyond the confines of search results. So let's go into some powerful tools that can help us to navigate this expansive terrain. Number one, Google Trends. Now, this is what it looks like. I'll have it in the description. I think most people know what Google Trends is, but if you ever wondered what the world was searching for a year ago, or perhaps you're curious about the trajectory of a particular trend, then Google Trends is your digital time machine. This invaluable tool will allow you to track search terms, monitor the popularity of keywords over time, analyze trends, identify emerging trends and potential shifts in consumer interest, compare regions, understand how search behavior varies across different geographical locations, and gain historical context. Explore past search patterns to inform future strategies. So Google Trends is absolutely free and user-friendly and offers a wealth of insight into search behavior. So if you just go to the website and kind of scroll down, you get an idea of what they're made of, but they do have an academy here. What is Google Trends? The basics of Google Trends, understanding the data. It's a very helpful website for a lot of marketers in gaining insight. So I'll definitely have this in the description, as well as some of their classes here, like the basics, understanding the data, etc., for a more in-depth overview. In this video, I just want to kind of give you a brief summary of each one of the tools, show you around a little bit, and then have it for your reference in the description. Now, number 2 is BuzzSumo. Now, this is BuzzSumo. I've never really heard of these folks before until today, but they seem extremely helpful. For example, if you click on where it says use cases, competitor intelligence, content strategy, you can create compelling content that can help you to protect your brand, crisis alerting, digital PR, share with the people that matter, influencer marketing, you can optimize your influencer strategy, and they have video marketing help where you can move into multimedia. Now, for a little bit more information, you can click on where it says about us right here, and then they got the pricing right here. But this is BuzzSumo, and they offer a wide range of resources for you, from discovery, research, monitoring, as I was saying, with like the crisis alerts, Chrome extensions, and then influencer outreach. So if you want to know what's hot on social media, BuzzSumo is your go-to resource. This powerful tool enables you to discover popular content, find the most shared articles, videos, and memes on any given topic, identify influencers. You can uncover key opinion leaders and industry experts, analyze engagement, measure the level of interaction and discussion around specific content, gain inspiration, generate ideas for your own content based on what's resonating with audiences. BuzzSumo is a valuable tool for understanding social media trends and identifying opportunities for content creation. And again, I'll have it right there in the description for you. And for a little bit more information, I encourage you to click on where it says About Us, just to kind of give an idea of their philosophy and their mission and the people who runs the program. And then number 3, Mintel, the market research Maven. So this is what Mintel is right here. I'm going to go ahead and allow all. But if you go to their store right here, so they cover all types of different industries: household or home, food service, food, drinks, fashion, business and industrial, beauty and personal care, technology, transport, media and marketing. This is a pretty large umbrella that covers a lot of different things. But for SEO purposes, it's a great market research powerhouse, and it will provide you in-depth analysis of industries and consumer behavior. So this comprehensive resource offers you industry reports, detailed insights into market trends, consumer preferences, and competitive landscapes, consumer data, information on demographics, lifestyles, and purchasing habits, competitive analysis, comparative assessments of key players in various industries. Mintel is an invaluable tool for understanding the broader market context and making data-driven decisions. So again, I'll have this in the description. Mintel, And the more I get more familiar with it, if I find it to be helpful for my own personal use, I'll definitely make more videos about it. Just want to give you an overview of 5 good tools to help you with your search engine optimization here. And number 4 on that list is eMarketer, the digital guru. Now this is eMarketer right here. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this over some. Credible forecasts, empowering insights. eMarketer's data-centric forecasts and rigorous analysis empower your strategic decisions. We're the go-to resource for marketing, advertising, and commerce insights that maximize and optimize revenue driving teams across your organization. Now, I'm not affiliated with any one of these tools, but these do seem to be the top 5 best ones for search engine optimization when it comes to getting insights. You can learn how marketers and advertisers are maximizing revenue through optimized spend and efficient targeting. Their research covers how they most effectively reach consumers and which channels have the most growth potential, both now and in the coming years. So with eMarketer, it is the leading provider of digital marketing intelligence. They offer analysis on emerging trends in social media, e-commerce, mobile marketing, and more with digital trends, industry forecasts, predictions about the future of digital marketing and technology, data visualization, interactive charts and graphs to help you understand complex data, as well as expert insights. You can get commentary from the industry experts on all of the latest developments. So it's definitely a must-have tool for anyone looking to stay ahead on the curve of the digital landscape. And the last but not least is Think with Google, the Google Brain Trust. This right here is a product of Google. They have consumer insights, marketing strategies, future of marketing, creativity, digital transformation, diversity and inclusion, management and culture. As far as tools, you got Insight Finders, and Google Trends you can get from here too, as well as Market Finder. So they have a lot of different tools here for you to use in your business. And I have a bonus here that you can use to create snippets. It's called Google SERP Simulator. I'll have this in the description. I'm trying to make an entire separate video about this. But yeah, this is definitely a bonus to see what your actual page is going to look like in the search engine. So you put your URL in there, the page title, as well as the meta description. And not only just on desktop, but on mobile as well. So you can choose that right here in this drop down. All right. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoy. If you like content like this, then I definitely recommend that you subscribe to the channel. I talk about everything when it comes to generating traffic and increasing sales, from search engine optimization, copywriting tutorials, artificial intelligence and automation, email marketing, sales and closing, objection handling, just about everything that you would need to be successful in your business, I talk about it. So be sure to take a look at the tools and the resources below, as well as the pinned comment by the Affiliate Marketing Samurai. I have everything that I included in this video. And also don't forget that SEO checklist is absolutely free. Right in the description, you'll see it's going to help you to increase your search engine rankings and better optimize your content for higher search results. So all you gotta do is just put your name and your email address in, and it'll get sent right to your inbox, all right? Completely free. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.